Concept I'd like to talk about today, and we'll start with this quote. The world belongs to the energetic. That's by Ralph Waldo Emerson. I think it's a very interesting quote, and at first glance it just seems like, oh, you got to be energetic and have enthusiasm to create the future that you want. But that's just what I wanted to talk about. Is yesterday I said that I've been rereading that chapter on sexual transmutation by Napoleon Hill. So here's how it is, man. That chapter is all about energy and how to stimulate the mind to work. Now, of course, Napoleon Hill's philosophy is to direct your energies into a single endeavor, like a laser, to get your goal. But I want to explore this concept of energy a little bit more because I was reading a different book that talked about how you hear a lot of people talk about how money is energy, but at first glance, it doesn't sound quite right because money is paper, right? It's paper that you can buy things with. But what is it really? If you look at it, money is energy. It's almost like you put it into something to get a result. So say you give it to someone and you move them into action, or you give it to someone and they give you something else back in return. Money by circulating induces action. So in a way, money is energy. And that's why you put in work on the front end and eventually you get money back for that work that is being done. I'll leave you with one last quote, but the great Earl Nightingale said that think of how you can work or something, because most people are like this. Most people are like the man who stood in front of the fire and said, "Give me heat, and then I'll add the wood." But in actuality, you got to add the wood before the fire. Just remember that you're putting in energy to get a result. Guard your energy. Make sure you feel good about yourself, that you take care of yourself, and that you direct your energy into things that will benefit you. That's all I'll leave you with.